Hi, I'm Paul Rudalavage from Synergy Electrical Sales. Today we're going to answer a question I get about low voltage dimming. So what's become really popular in the market right now is 0 to 10 volt dimming. And this is a replacement module for an LED fixture, but I just want to go over this so that you can understand a different nomenclature for low voltage dimming. I have another video for 0 to 10 volt basics, and I'll cover this more in depth, but for 0 to 10 volt, which is sometimes called low voltage dimming, we have line voltage, 120 or 277, that gets switched on to this. This is our LED driver, and we get 0 to 10 volt. This is the low voltage portion, which goes back to a dimmer and adjusts the total output of this fixture. The question we get sometimes is about magnetic low voltage dimming. So I have right here a fixture. This is we can see here, this is an MR16 fixture. This is a magnetic transformer. Okay, you can see it's really big. It's actually heavy if you would pick it up. So when we talk about magnetic low voltage dimming, there's actually line voltage that comes into this transformer. So again, we have our black wire and our white wire. So we have that coming into the transformer, but then the low voltage comes back out of the transformer. We've got these red and white. They go in to power the low voltage. So it's line voltage to here and then low voltage to here. So if we were going to dim this, we would say it calls for magnetic low voltage dimmer. We would actually be using a triac dimmer to dim the line voltage into the transformer and then back out to the light. So we're actually dimming the line voltage to the magnetic transformer, which turns it to low voltage and puts the light out.